Good morning, people. Another beautiful morning. Yeah, got quite a lot on today. Got a couple of boiler repairs to do. Got to go and look at a leaking toilet as well. I've got to stop saying but yeah, trying to get up to my first 1,000 subscribers, so I'm nearly there. Just need to push it a bit further now and try and edit my videos a little bit better as well. It doesn't come naturally to me, but I'm trying, and hopefully we get there. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Click that subscribe button, click the notification bell as well, because that helps us, well, helps you know when we upload our latest videos, so so you can watch them. So let's get cracking. So it looks like it's the flush pipe that's leaking. So I'm going to try and get these panels off, but as you can see, they're not serviceable. So if I can get this top one off, it might give me a little bit of access to get to the top nut holding that flush pipe on. But let's see. So that's what's leaking. So now that I've got a bit of access, I can get to it, undo it, reseal it. That panel's gonna have to come off. Cut this out, luckily it's on. So I should be able to pull it out enough. Let's get that panel off. Jump for the stubby. Right, first job done. Yeah, I thought it was going to be a bit of a pig, to be honest with you, but it wasn't too bad in the end. Sometimes you've just got to get stuck in and get the job done. I'm getting attacked by a bush at the moment. Right, on to the next one now.